Two rising stars in the email marketing world. But when it comes down to it, which one truly delivers? On the left, GetResponse, known for its automation and versatility. And on the right, Kit, designed for simplicity and smart e-commerce solutions. Let's put aside the marketing hype and dig into what really matters. We'll score each category, and by the end, you'll know exactly who takes the crown. The final verdict might just surprise you. Let's lay out exactly what we're going to cover. We're comparing these two on pricing, features and automation, target audience, design and templates, reporting and analytics, integrations and ecosystem, plus usability and support. So, pretty much everything that matters, right? Okay, kicking things off with pricing. GetResponse. It's got that mid-tier plan that's a bit easier on the wallet at $19 a month, especially if you've got a larger list. But here's where it stings. There isn't a true free plan, and those slick advanced features, yeah, you're definitely paying extra for them. Now, with Kit, oh, this one's tempting if you're just starting out, they actually let you go free for up to 1,000 subscribers. Plus, their pricing is super clear. No nasty surprises. Only thing is, as your list grows, it can get pricey. And honestly, that free plan is kind of basic. But between the two, Kit is taking the pricing trophy here. Next, let's talk features and automation. GetResponse really flexes here. We're talking advanced automations, slick drag-and-drop email builder, and they're even tossing SMS and webinars into the mix. Honestly, it can almost feel like overkill if you're new. Kit, on the other hand, well, it keeps things simple. There's a nice visual automation builder that's honestly really approachable, and autoresponders with tagging are straightforward. The flip side? Limited design, and you might start to feel boxed in if you need fancy integrations. When it comes to sheer power, GetResponse easily snags the point. Now, who are these tools actually for? GetResponse is super business forward. It's perfect for e-commerce, B2B hustlers, or agencies wanting to go big and multi-channel, email, SMS, even ads. But if you're a pure creator, it can feel a little much. Kit is basically built for you if you're a blogger, podcaster, or just want to hit send and not overthink things. Super community-driven, super easy. Business stuff is kind of light, though. But in terms of laser focus on creators, Kit totally wins this round. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Kit was actually called ConvertKit back in the day, and it was built specifically for creators, not businesses. Kinda explains a lot about their vibe, doesn't it? Alright, design and templates. GetResponse goes hard here. Nearly 200 designer templates, regular updates, and the drag-and-drop editor. I mean, that's a lot of creative muscle. Bit of a downer. Most emails tend to land in the Gmail Promotions tab, so that's something to watch for. Now, Kit's all about that minimalist, text-based vibe. Higher deliverability for sure, but the catch? Not a lot of templates or customization. You're really locked into their style. Still, if you love options, GetResponse is the clear winner. Let's get nerdy for a second. Reporting and analytics. GetResponse gives you a bunch. Advanced analytics, you can really drill into engagement and segmentation. There's a bit of depth missing compared to, say, the ultra-premium category, but still, it's way above average. Kit, super basic. Opens, clicks, unsubscribes, and honestly, that's about it. Even on their pro plan, you're not getting deep dives, and there's no view for bounce rates. So for data junkies, GetResponse is where it's at. Integrations and ecosystem. Here's something cool. GetResponse is basically like the Swiss Army knife for integrations. Ads, CRMs, e-commerce, even webinars and live chat, you name it, they probably have it. Can be a bit much for small teams. Sometimes you might not even know where to start. Kit keeps things more modest, focusing on creator platform integrations, so it feels lighter, but also a bit limited. If your workflow needs lots of connections, GetResponse sweeps up this point. Finally, usability and support. GetResponse. You get that classic 24/7 support and a multilingual dashboard, but I won't lie, the interface feels pretty old school compared to Kit. Kit, though? Super clean UI, onboarding's a breeze, and there's a strong, helpful community behind it. Multilingual support is not their strong suit, but overall, it just feels smoother and friendlier. So for usability, Kit is our champ here. Let's take a look at where each tool really shines, seeing those wins spread across the board. It actually paints a pretty interesting picture. Some categories are close, but the strengths are pretty clear when you line them up. So bottom line, if you want serious marketing muscle, automation, and you've got a business mindset, GetResponse is absolutely stacked. But if you're all about sending awesome newsletters, growing an audience, and not getting lost in a maze of features, Kit was made for you. At the end of the day, Kit totally slays it for creators, while GetResponse gives you that powerhouse suite for just about everything else. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.